Good morning children. I welcome you all to yet another video of Business Studies of Class 12, Chapter number 1, Nature and Significance of Management. We are going to move ahead with the topic which we were doing in the last video. Science. What is science? It is a systematic body of knowledge that explains certain general truths based on logical observation, facts and findings. Now we are going to see whether management is science or not. So the first point of science is systematic body of knowledge. That is, law of gravity explain why apple falls on earth if we throw it in air. This we are seeing in science. Now, like a law of gravity also, we see in the human behavior explain the nature of people working in the organization. Second is principle based on experiments, because every experiment of science is being conducted in the laboratory, but the science experiment can be conducted on humans. It cannot be conducted in laboratory, but they have taken some group of people and they conduct principles and then they form that principles. Third is universal validity, that is applicable universally everywhere. From the discussions, for example, chartered accountant is required to handle financial activity, a marketing expert to handle marketing activities. The need of specialized knowledge and experience to handle the business may categorize management as a profession. So, by these 3 points, we will come to know whether it is science or not. The next is profession. What is profession? Professional peoples are known as lawyers and doctors. So in that also they have given some points and we will see whether management falls in the category of profession or not. First, well-defined body of knowledge means they require to gain specialized knowledge of that particular profession. Then restricted entry is there in profession, that is educational degree is required and it is present in your CA also, that you have to clear the CPT exam, then only you can enter for that particular MBA degree. Then professional association, it regulates entry, grants certificate of practice for doctors and lawyers and formulates code of conduct. There are some chartered accountants have become members of the Institute of Chartered Accountancy of India also. Then ethical code of conduct, that is bound by code of conduct laid by professional organization. And last is service motive. Service motive because doctors and lawyers are being said that they are providing services to the people. In return, they receive monetary benefits for the same. But management of an organization aims at earning the profit. So this particular point is not present in management. The next topic is levels of management. There are basically 3 levels of management. One is top level management, second is middle level, and third is supervisory level. In the top level of management, there are peoples like CEO, president. In the middle level, there are peoples like head of department. It can be sales, it can be marketing. And at the supervisory level, there are foremen and line managers. So there are some functions of every level. So first is top level. What does top level management do? They set up the business objectives. What targets are to be achieved, they discuss that. Then coordinating of all the resources are done by them. Formulations of all the plans and policies are done by them. Managing of human resources is done by them. Then welfare and survival of the organization also depends on the top level management. Then what are the functions of middle level management? First is interpret the policies and plans which were made by top level management. Then they recruit the people accordingly. Then organizing all the activities is done by middle level. Then instructing and controlling the employees is done by them. Motivating all the people is done by them. Then smooth functioning of the work is also dependent upon middle level management. Then we move ahead to the last, that is operational level or supervisory level, in which foremen and linemen managers are there. So what is their function? Function is line managers interact with actual workforce and transfer the information. Second, what they do? They oversee the efforts to achieve maximum output. Then supervise and monitor production process. Then what they do? They are responsible for safety standards of the organization. They are also responsible for leading and directing and motivating the workforce. This is all we are going to study in this video. Now we are going to move ahead with the next topic in the next video of mine. Thank you.